Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, really adorable hair bow. So I use 8 to 9 inches of bow wire. I just fold it in half. You can use as much or as little as you like. And the lighter is to finish any edges that are frazzled. Just like that. Alright, since this is patterned on one side, we are going to flip it over and scrunch it. You can scrunch it however way you'd like, but I find that the uniform scrunch looks better. So I'm just going to fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and scrunch it down in place. Going to make a loop and then scrunch this side as well. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with the second piece. Fold it over, scrunch, and scrunch. Don't forget the loop. And then scrunch and scrunch. And you can definitely use your wand to help scrunch if it gets kind of tough to do. The ribbon I just placed, I'm going to estimate the center. You can measure if you like, but I just estimate the center, scrunch it, and press that down. Just like that. We're going to do the same thing with this one, but we're going to cross it diagonally with the ribbon we just scrunched before we do that. So it's going to look like that. And then you find the center and you scrunch it. Grab that wand, and you can adjust it while you have the wand in place so it's not going to come apart. And it looks just like that. You could stop right here because this is a really cute bow, but we are going to keep going. This is what it looks like so far. Again, you could stop here. I'm just going to add one more layer. I like to fold this in half and find the center. And I actually have this nice cute little ribbon cut. I'll show you how that's done. You are going to fold it in half. The two ends on the bottom, the fold on the top. You're just going to make a diagonal cut. Just like that. So that's what I did for the ends of this piece. Now I just found the center, used the crease, and I'm going to scrunch it. It's getting pretty hard to scrunch it because there is so much, but you just gotta make it work. Use that wand. You're going to estimate about halfway, and you're going to scrunch it and leave the end going either up or down. Just like that. And you're going to do the same with this second piece, except it's going to go upward. Now you could have both of them going downward if you'd like, but I just think it's so cute to have one going up and one down. You can do any adjustments you need while you have that wand in place. Alright, and we are all done. We are going to tie it up now. So you bring the bottom two ends upward and you get that loop from the top, and you are going to just place the two bottoms inside the top loop and pull it really tight. Just like that. And then I'm going to separate and pull them again. Just like that. And now when you feel that it's nice and secure, you can remove it from the Bowdabra carefully. And then I'm just going to tighten it some more. And then there we go. And here is the bow. All pretty. We are almost done. You're going to take one of your 1/4 inch pieces and just tie it in a simple knot. There we go. This is going to be your center. I'm going to put some hot glue. And this is going to go on the back of your bow. So we're going to put hot glue all the way across here and just place it down. And you are all done.